Krishna Mackenzie. I hope you all had a great Diwali. Today I'm going to show you a really awesome recipe, health recipe, the green smoothie. Now green smoothie, of course, is something sweet we want to eat, you know, you want to have for your breakfast or a snack time. So that means fruit. So we got papaya and we got banana. Here we actually only have frozen banana. We always add a bit of lemon to it to give it a little tang. And then you want to add greens. The greens we're using are greens that are growing wild around us. There's no big effort to get them. So you've got this chicken spinach, this what we call in Latin Talinium triangulare. If you want to check out on the internet, it's good for cognitive ability and asthma and you know, even men's virility. You know, it's a really interesting plant. And then you have some of this Rosella, and this is you know, this is such a delicious tangy leaf that we use in the salads and the chutneys. So, you know, you whack a bit of that in, and then, you know, usually that's what we add. But I was thinking, no, well, you can add a bit of guava leaf to it. When we use these leaves, we always use the tender leaves. You know, these aren't the really old leaves. These are really the very soft, tender shoots. And then we have a little bit of tamarind leaf, which is, you know, it has the benefit of it's reversing diabetes. It's a very interesting medicinal values. And the guava, again, is good for your intestines and your stomach, and I think even good for the gums, you know. So we've got all of those together. So let's whack in the papaya into the mixie, jack like that. We got the bananas in there, and then we're going to put in the greens. We just have to break them up a little bit so it works well in the mixie. And then we've got those other bits of guava and the tamarind leaves. And then we have a little bit of this lemon that we can add, like that. It's good to add a little bit of water just to make it mix a little easily. So a little bit of water. We put the lid on, and then we get the mixie and turn it on. Let's see, that should do it. Give it another second. Little jiggle. And from Bombay to Bangalore, you can find a green smoothie. Now, if you check out this recipe, so there we go. Look at this beautiful color it has. Then we pop on a little Shankapushpam, and we can have a little chicken spinach leaf there, maybe one of those just for fun, and there you have a green smoothie. That's the real McCoy.